Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today is Monday, June the 6th of 2022. I'm coming at you guys with another vlog. Heading into Kroger to do some grocery shopping. It's raining, and thankfully I had this hoodie that was in my car. I put it on one day and it got too hot outside, so I didn't need a full-on hoodie, but I had it in my car still, so I was able to use this as an umbrella, which is great. So I'm starting out today. Actually, it's almost 2 o'clock, so I've not been vlogging, but I've been getting stuff done that wasn't really vlog worthy. But I'm at Kroger to do my budget grocery haul, kind of finishing up. Don't need a whole lot, actually. I got a lot at Sam's Club yesterday and Target, so I'm just gonna get the last things here. So that should be good. But anyway, guys, that's what's up. Guys, I am racking up on the deals, and I am so excited that my Kroger actually has a bunch of stuff in stock. I'm amazed. They have all the weekly digital stuff that I wanted. They have the Kraft cheese. That ends up being like $1.23. They got the Quaker cereal. That's going to be like 27 cents a box. Crazy. They got plenty of milk that's on sale. They got the produce deals. I'm just thrilled. I am so excited. By the way, guys, these Kroger deals, the weekly digital deals, are no longer available on Wednesday when you guys are seeing this, so sorry about that. Wait, are you guys seeing this Wednesday? Yeah, okay, sorry, I'm confused. These Vlunes are all over the place. But I was just gonna say, I'm kind of changing up my weekly grocery shopping tactics, which I mentioned in the video in the grocery haul, so if you want more of an explanation, check that out. But I've been just doing like once a week grocery shopping, grabbing the things we need for that week. Yeah, if there's a good deal, I'll grab it, but I've not really been stocking up much for the month. And that kind of is annoying because you run out of things and you have to go back, and it's just a big ordeal. So I have decided to continue my weekly grocery shopping, but I'm trying to do like monthly stock up. So I've added in Sam's Club monthly stock up. It's where I can get like things that'll be good through the whole month at Sam's Club. I am doing the sales at Kroger, of course, and look, like I'm stocking up on cheese and cereal and stuff. That's definitely going to last the month. And so I'm kind of trying to stock up at a monthly basis and not just worry about the week when the deals are really good. And it's just really exciting and a good way to do it. So that's kind of what I'm doing now. I don't know if you guys can see the fuel center, but it's $5.09 a gallon now. I don't even understand. Oh my gosh, guys, it's mind-blowing to see $5.09 on the gas tank. I just can't even believe it. I really can't even believe it. Sorry, I gotta turn the AC on. I'm filming my grocery intro, and obviously I don't want to burn up precious gas because it's expensive. And so I'm sweating because I got this big hoodie on now. And so, yeah. But anyways, guys, leaving Kroger, and it was a really, really good grocery haul. I'm really excited. That makes me happy that even though the gas isn't coming down, I'm still saving huge on groceries. Okay, please wait. Like, you guys can't corner me in here. I have to back out. There's like 2 people wanting my spot, and I don't know which one of them is going to get it first. I think the other guy is. I feel kind of bad because I believe this car was here first. But anyways, yeah, Kroger was really good. I got some awesome deals. I Ibotta rebates. I got like quite a bit back on Ibotta rebates. I did the sales. Shopping the sales really paid off this week. Kroger had it going on. They really did. Thank God for Kroger fuel points, because that trip should have got me 81 points. So that'll get me really close to 10 cents a gallon here soon. That's good. Good news, because we need those Kroger fuel points. And I saved great, and that's the way to do it. I mean, if we're gonna have to pay 3 times as much as we used to for gas, those grocery savings are really gonna have to pay off, and I did today. Kroger was awesome. I got some really, really good deals. Cheese stocked up for the month, cereal stocked up for longer than a month. Oh my gosh, the deals, snack stuff for the month. Great deals at Kroger. I love Kroger so much, I really do. The deals there are just amazing. So anyway, guys, that is that. I'm gonna head on home and work on videos. I'm going to get my grocery haul edited and uploaded and ready for you guys for tomorrow, Tuesday, which will already be up by the time you're seeing this vlog. So check that out to see everything I got at Kroger. And I'm gonna also show you my planner stack kind of set up for June. I am at such planner peace right now. It is amazing. Planner peace is hard to achieve, but I got it right now. I really do, and I'm so excited for that. So I'm gonna show you guys my planner setup, planner stack for June and beyond. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'll catch you guys when we get home. Guys, it is 4:51 p.m. Been home for a couple of hours now. I got my budget grocery haul video edited, uploaded, ready to go for tomorrow. That's great. Got the price overlays to tell you guys how much stuff costs. That is awesome. So I got my video done for today. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you guys my planner stack. And I like I said in the car, I have planner piece right now. I'm really, really happy with my planners set up. I've been watching a YouTuber. Her name is Amanda's Favorites. I hadn't heard of her before, but I found one of her videos just random, and I literally have gone back and binge watched her planner system videos, and that, like, it has changed my life. That is exactly the planner system that I've wanted and feel like I need in my life to be the most productive. I've kind of adopted that into my life. I'm not using the exact same planners as her, but I'm doing things pretty much in the same way, and I am loving it. So I will actually have a link to Amanda's video, the 3 views I need. That is the video that she did about her 3 planner views she needs on a regular basis, and I've determined as well that's the views that I need on a regular basis. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around and show you guys my planner stack and how I got my system set up. So here are my planners here in notebooks. I'm really, really loving this planner system. It is great. Like I said, Amanda's Favorites. She's a phenomenal YouTuber. I really like her videos because she's not into a bunch of fancy decorative planning. You watch planners on YouTube and there's a whole lot more stickers and fanciness than actual planning going on, and that is not what I need in my life. I need a place to plan and get all my plans put down and things like that, and this is the system that Amanda talks about that I just think is going to be awesome for my life. So let me kind of show you guys my 3 views that I need. So the first thing here is the monthly view. My planner here does have a monthly view that I do use, but I need a monthly view in my face all the time because it's hard, you know, in your notebook, you got to flip back and forth between the monthly and the weekly, and I just need it in my face so I don't forget anything. And so that's where this comes in. This is the OVC Designs wall calendar system. If you're interested in purchasing this, I have it down below. It's a laminated reusable calendar system. It's undated, so you fill in the dates, and it's a monthly thing. So you got June, July, and obviously you're going to keep seeing it go on and on and on. In your system, it's going to come with 12 months worth. This is June, obviously, and so I got my calendar set up. I keep it on my bulletin board here on my desk. Super nice, perfect, and I'll just be able to have it in my face all the time. So just kind of did a monthly breakdown. I used more of the Expo Visa Vis markers, wet erase markers. I love these things so much, and I just kind of got a color code going on. So orange is YouTube videos, so anything in orange is the YouTube video scheduled for that day. Green is my Humira shots. I have Crohn's, so I had to take Humira every other week, and so I got that wrote down, which thigh I'm supposed to injecting. You're supposed to alternate that every week. And then I have events in blue. So like I put appointments and like Humira deliveries coming, because you literally have to wait here for it to come because it has to be refrigerated immediately. So somebody's got to be here to get that. Haircut, church camp, and then like birthdays and events, I wrote in blue and circled with like a squiggly cloud kind of deal. So I really love this, and it's in my face. I see it all the time. Like I said, if you're interested in that, I do have the link to purchase this down below. So that is the monthly view, and I need my monthly view all the time. Then comes in the weekly view, and I am currently using a Happy Planner. If you guys watched Vlune last week when I went to St. Clairsville, I bought this Happy Planner, and it's good through July. It actually goes through next December. I did a little bit of adjusting. I went ahead and just took out next July through December. I think I will have the itch to switch before 18 months. So I'm just going to keep this as a yearly planner. But what I ended up doing was November of next year, November of 2023, actually has the same exact dates and everything as like the first falls on a Wednesday and the third falls on a Friday and everything. So the calendars were good to go for November of next year. I've just been using it for June and kind of like undating it. So as you can see here, June 6th to the 12th, I kind of just did that. And basically what I'm doing is I'm planning out my week. So I have my meal plan up here, and then I just have the daily stuff. And I plop down a couple random neutral stickers to kind of take up space and just to make it a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. But I just put kind of what's going on. So like today I needed to weigh in, I needed to shop at Kroger, I need to film these videos. So I plan my videos, my events and things. And a lot of this comes from the monthly view. So if I'm seeing like on the monthly view, I have an appointment in blue. Oh, I got to put that in. Oh, I have to film this video on this date. I put that in on the calendar. So the weekly view is very important. I love this. And what I do with the weekly view is I prop it up here on this easel that I got from Dollar Tree. And it just is right here in my face as well, which is awesome. And then finally is my daily view. And this is so basic. I have always been tempted by the Daily Duo Planner from Erin Condren. And maybe one day I'll get those. But right now I'm just finding, okay, I have a monthly view here. I have a weekly view. I got to just get stuff out by the day. And so daily view is literally just a daily brain dump to-do list. I use the Micron pens. I love these things so much. I use red for YouTube and I use blue for everything else. And that's that. That's plain and simple. And then I cross it off in black and I put the date up there in black. And this is literally what I do every day is a big to-do list, plenty of space for notes, plenty of space for just anything. And literally like that, plain and simple. Film budget grocery haul. And then I have subtasks. So like the intro, film the intro, do the price overlays, edit and upload, vlog, show planners, and take vitamins, and clean my office, put clothes away, set up my Fitbit, set up my monthly calendar, all this stuff. That plain and simple. I just as much to-dos as I need. This is so unstructured and just like whatever I need it to be, and it's perfect. So my planner stack is awesome. I'm loving it. I got my monthly view, my daily view, and my weekly view. All that totally was inspired by Amanda's favorites, and I am loving it. So super great. Anyway, guys, it's almost dinner time, so I'm going to go ahead and get started on dinner, and I'm making chicken fresco tonight. Chicken fresco is a copycat Ruby Tuesday recipe that is delicious. I cannot wait to make it, and it's going to be great. I'm going to make it with some rice and salad and biscuits, so looking forward to that. So let's go get to cooking. Alright guys, it is now 8:41 p.m. I think I'm going to call this one a vlog. I really do hope you guys enjoyed. Dinner was really good. I'm going to have the link to that recipe down below. After dinners, came in, listened to music, been working on my to-do list for tomorrow, all the things, and yeah, really exciting. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and thank you so much for watching.